Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are going to do the lunch. And let's start with the hot and colds as usual. Let's just finish this explanation today and see how we can do it. It's not okay. All right. I wanted to explain what happened yesterday, right? So, okay, let me go back to what I said yesterday, right? Yesterday we had 1426 that we were looking at, and then these two, okay, these ones 14, okay, let me just start again. 14 and 3, 23 and 26. These numbers, they were not moving. Remember, that's what we agreed. That's what we saw, okay? They were not moving. So 14 minus 3 is 11. 11 came as a bonus. So that's something that we have seen now. We need to keep track of it and see if it continues happening, is it going to be the story again, right? Then we have got 23 and 3. 23 minus 3 equals to 20. Okay. We have got 26 and 3. 26 plus 3 equals to 29. Two numbers that came from there. Okay, so we're talking of numbers that did not move when we were pressing on the other side. Okay, I hope you all understand what I'm saying. Then we saw these two numbers. They were exchanging positions, right? They were exchanging positions. So we were adding and subtracting. That's what we have seen before, but we forgot that the numbers can repeat. Okay, so 21 comes from there. And remember, 21 is sitting as the hottest number today, right? 21 is sitting as the hottest number. So we should know, we should have figured it out that this can trigger the hottest number to keep on dropping. So we were supposed to have a bank at 21 yesterday, and we go on with it. You understand? Okay? So this was the result of what we explained yesterday morning, right? So now, today, what do we have? Or we can say, what happened on lunch yesterday? So we're looking at these numbers, right? Movement. Is there anything moving there? Let's look at 13 and 29. 13 and 29. 13 and 29. Okay, so 13 and 29, they are exchanging positions. Okay, 29 plus, actually 29 minus 13. Minus 13 equals to 16, right? It gave us 16. Okay, then the same numbers, we take 29, add or subtract with the bonus, right? So 29 plus the 15 equals to 44. There is our second number, right? There is our second number. So basically, this is what we got from this one. So we got two numbers, which is 16 and 44 from there, okay? So now, looking at these numbers, look at the number 16. 16 does not change its position, right? And there is no other numbers that are exchanging positions. So what do? We take 16 as a number that we will repeat. right? We'll take 16 as a number that will repeat, and then we take 16, we add it with the bonus or subtract it with the bonus. If we subtract, we get a 5, right? We get a 5, and we add the is 27 sitting there. So I have not met a scenario like this whereby we add numbers and then from the hot and cold side. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not talking about a sequence. On the sequence, when you add and subtract a number, then you realize that the answer you get is sitting in the same line. You can add or subtract 1. But on this scenario, I am not sure because we're dealing with the movement and the exchanging of positions when it comes to draw order and numerical order. Okay, so the numbers I have from here, it's 16 and 15, right? So let's go down here. Here is where you see which numbers are hot. This is the hottest number in town. Okay, that's the hottest number that we have today. All right, okay, so now I am going to our Lotto Extreme, and we're going to continue with the code that we were doing. So the code that we are using, it's actually the date. It's the date. Is it the date? Oh, no, it's not the date. It's the bonus. No. It's the date actually. Yes, correct. It's the date where we're saying 18 multiplied by 7, 49, right? And then with the answer we divide as well by 7. 749 multiplied by 18, right? We get 13 wara. So that one we did it. So we want to check on this one for yesterday. 19 multiplied by 749. 19 multiplied by 749. We got 14,231. Then we divide that same number by 7 and we got 23,3, right? So this is a number for the day. These are codes for the day, right? The banker that I gave you, that this code below, you get 20 and you get a 33. Those are the first two numbers that you go with. So look, we have got 20 already that came from there, right? One thing that we did not do, okay, this side, we have got, if we say plus, then we say plus. So that's 2 plus 3 plus 3 equals to 8. We did not do that. So if we look on the one on top here, we've got 1 and 3. We've got 13 sitting here. Then we have got 2 and 1. So we have got 21 as well. That was 4 numbers in the morning that I gave you on the list of numbers that I gave you, except for 8. That's the one that we missed, except for 8, right? So if you go on top, we still have got the 21, meaning 21 was hot on that day. We have got 1 and we've got 1. So 11 as well was a number for yesterday. Then on the big numbers that comes with the code, or on the big numbers that plays yesterday, I did put 44, right? I did put 44 on the numbers that I did yesterday. So if you check correctly on the video, you see there is a 44 that I did not explain. I just wrote it there, which is one of the big numbers that we did, okay? So that shows that there is light from this code, which is a daily code. And today it's 20 multiplied by 49, and we get 14980, right? Divided by 7, we have got 2140. So the first thing you do is you take 21 as your first number, then you take 40 as your second number as well. So now you've got 14, you've got 19, you've got 18. You've got 10, you've got 49, you've got 48, you've got 40. See? That's how the numbers are rolling. Those are the numbers that you can say I have. And then if we go to this one, we say plus plus. 2, 2 plus 1 plus 4 equals to 7, the single number 7, right? So that's exactly what we're getting from these chords, Then I've just noticed a quick one that is giving us a single number, right? A single number, okay? So we have got 36 multiplied by 18. 18 is a date, right? 36 is a bonus multiplied by 18. It's 648. Skip here. There is your 48. There is your 48. So let's see if it's consistent with what it is saying. So we have got 40 multiplied by 18. It's 720, right? So if we are to ignore here, we still have 27. 20 and 27. We still have it. If we are to play here, we have got a straight number 20 without any spinning, without anything. Okay, so we have got 15 and 19. 19 multiplied by 15 equals to 285. 285. So taking it all the way, we have got banker 28, we have got banker 25. See what I'm saying? Okay, so if you were to be safe, we say 11 multiplied by 19 as well. We will get 209. Okay, 209. That's a 20, and that's a 29. Okay, so these are the numbers you get from that other banker that we have done. Okay, so let's go into the comment section and assist each other, and also check on the comment section. There is good predictors that we have that are also posting numbers, and they are also assisting. Check also Nantek's post, and Tom Creature, yes, Tom Creature, and I'll check the other names and I'll update you, the people that I'm trusting, the people that I trust, that they are sharing good numbers as well. Okay, thank you guys. Enjoy.